Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill. Class 8 English version, Math, Measurement chapter, Exercise 3. Question number 30. The length of a rectangular plot of land is 80 meter. Its breadth is 60 meter. In the middle of the land, a tank with 3 meter depth is dug, keeping 4 meter wide bank. So there is a pond within the plot. So length is 80 meter, and breadth is 60 meter, breadth. Depth is 3 meter, and 4 meter wide bank. Bank is 4 meter. So this is 4 meter. Now three things we have to find out: A, B, C. So let's start with A. Express the depth of tank in inches. Here depth is given in meter, 3 meter. Depth equals to 3 meter, and 1 meter equals to 39.37 inches. 1 meter equals to 39.37 inches. If we apply unitary method, we can find the 3 meter equals to 39.37 into 3 equals to 118.11 inches, and that is the answer. B. Find out the area of the bank of the pond. This is the bank. It is 4 meter wide, but we need to find actually the area of the plot and area of the pond. And if we deduct area of the pond from area of the plot, we can get the area of the bank. So first thing, the length and breadth of the plot. Length of the plot equals to 80 meter. Breadth of the plot equals to 60 meter. Therefore, area of the plot into 60 equals to 4800 square meter. Meter into meter is square meter. Again, length of the pond equals to length of the pond we can find deducting the width of the bank, both sides. So the length of the plot is will be 80 minus from both sides, means on the right and on the left. You see, so 4 meter on the right, 4 meter on the left. If we deduct, it will be 2 into 4 equals to 72 meter. Similarly, breadth of the pond will be 60 minus 2 into 4 equals to 52 meter. Therefore, area of the pond equals to 72 into 52 square meter equals to, if we multiply 72 by 52, it will be 3744 square meter. Now that you have the area of plot and area of pond, you can find the area of bank easily. Therefore, area of bank equals to area of plot deduct area of pond equals to 4800 minus 3744 equals to 1056 square meter. So B is done. Now C. How much time needed to empty the tank? To find the answer to the C, we need to find the amount of water, and to find the amount of water we need the volume of tank. So volume of pond equals to length of the pond multiplied by breadth of the pond multiplied by depth equals to, what is the length of the pond? We already found here in B we can see 72 meter and breadth is 52. So 72 multiplied by 52 and the depth is 3 meter. So unit will be meter into meter into meter, cubic meter. 72 into 52 into 3 equals to 11232. 11232 cubic meter. So amount of water, therefore amount of water equals to 11232 cubic meter. 0.1 cubic meter water is emptied by a machine in 1 second. In 1 second. So if we arrange the sentence, we have to put the time on the right side because we have to find the time, and put the amount of water on the left. So we can write 0.1 cubic meter water can be 0.1 cubic meter water can be emptied in 1 second. Therefore, 1 cubic meter water can be emptied in 1 divided by 0.1 second. Therefore, the amount of water, total amount of water is, we already found out, 11232 cubic meter. 11232 cubic meter water can be emptied in. So we have to multiply 1 into 11232 divided by 0.1 equals to, now simplify, multiply by 10 both numerator and denominator, then it will be 11232 0 second. Now can we change second to minutes and hours? Yes, divided by 60 and then again divided by 60. 11232 second equals to 11232 by 60 minutes. 60 minutes equals to 1872. 1872 minutes equals to, again divide by 60 to make it hour. So 1872 divided by 60 hours equals to, it will be 31.2 hours. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.